So Lois told me I gotta learn something fancy for the family trivia night. Newton's laws of motion. You know that stuff with apples and old white-haired dudes? Can I explain it? Sure I can. How hard could it be? What's the worst that could happen? Besides another time I tried to ride a giant rubber duck in the Pawtucket Brewery fountain. All right, first law. They call it the law of inertia. It basically says if something's sitting there doing nothing, it wants to keep doing nothing. And if something's moving, it wants to keep moving unless something else messes with it. So my couch wants to stay comfortable forever. Why do you think my butt is glued to it? Could stuff in space keep moving forever if no one bothered it? And what would that look like if everything just floated and no one put down the remote? Second law is the one with numbers. Force equals mass times acceleration. F equals sign ma. That means the harder you push, the faster something speeds up, and heavier things need more push. Like trying to move Lois when she's mad? Kidding. But think about pushing a shopping cart empty, easy, full of Pawtucket Patriot beer. Not so much. If you doubled the force, would you double the acceleration? And what happens when mass changes? Like if I keep eating, do I become harder to stop from sprinting to the fridge? Third law is my favorite. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. You push on something, it pushes back. When I jump off the dock kind of pushes me into the water. When I fart, the chair politely gives me a shove the other way. Could this explain how rockets go to space? If a rocket pushes gas down, the rocket goes up. So if I pushed a giant pie off the table real hard, would the pie push me back enough to win a staring contest? So that's Newton in a nutshell. Or maybe in a beer can. Things keep doing what they're doing unless poked. Heavier things need stronger pokes, and every poke gets a poke back. How would life change if these laws were different, like if stuff stopped when you blinked? Or if pushing a door made you spin instead? Would Quahog even exist? Think about that while I go ask Brian if he wants to test inertia with my recliner.